So today we start the dashboard, Excel dashboard classes. So first, mind the makeup. How can what dashboard will be created in the Excel? So you want to see the dashboard. What type of the dashboard you created with the Excel? Just you go to the Google and search the dashboard and click the images. This type of the dashboard you have created with the Excel. Okay, so why need to create the dashboard? So dashboard give the all information on single screen. Just like see here, all information on the single screen, right?
Yep.
So we have created the dashboard. So we have start the Excel dashboard with pivot table. So our first topic is the pivot table, right, sir? But before the starting the pivot table, one topic is missing, the formatting, dashboard formatting, because you have create the dashboard. In the dashboard, two part is the major. First, the visualization, the called the charts, and second, the formatting. What type of the formatting we have created? Does it look like this? So this is the format. What type of formatting will be created? So in this class, we discuss the some formatting tricks in the Excel.
Okay.
You know about basically how can color the cell, how can color the text, how can apply the border, how can bold, how can underline, everything we will know. But some is the formatting tricks is missing, I think. So we have covered the today class.
Okay.
So in the Excel, we discussed about the superscript. Just like 10, we are type the 10th here. So mostly if you have typed the word, the 10th, the th go to the upper side of the 10.
Yep.
But in the Excel, no directly convert in the superscript. You have click the format and click on the superscript. When you click the superscript, your 10th will be move to upside of the 10th. But problem is we have the number. We have a lot of the number, right? And every number in the degree, just like 52 degree. How can I type the 52 degree? So 5-2 and put the small o. 5-2, put the a small o and double click, select the small o, right click, go to the format cell and select the superscript. After the pressing OK, you can see here 52 degree. But we have the lot of the number. So how can convert this number to degree? Because every time put the O and double click, select the cell and apply the format. Because if you have apply the superscript, select the cell, so all cell value convert in the superscript, not a particular O. So it is not possible one by one because we have the lot of data. That time we have used the formatting tricks. See careful. I have typed the small o and copy to all numbers, and we had just reduce the column size and select the all o, right click, format cell and go to the border, go to the font. We have applied the superscript and OK. Now we have select the cell, right click, go to the format, go to the border, and we have applied the border, round border and middle border. You have never applied this border. Okay. Now we have applied the white background color. So now you can see here your number look like the degree, and see here your degree O is the different row column and 12 is the different column, but we have look
Yeah.
like the both are the same column.
Yep.
That called visualization.
Okay.
Okay,
When,
that
uh,
called
when I have a small doubt in this one, like this 52-degree, when we are calculating time, this O will automatically calculate, or this will consider as a degree only or number only?
this is the only for visualization, not a calculation.
Okay.
Only for
Okay.
visualization.
Okay. Fine.
Because the O is the different column and 12 is the different column. And also if you have the in the one column, so they are the not a degree. Officially this is not a degree. This is the
Yeah.
O. And in the Excel you have type the number with any character, you have can't do any calculation.
Yeah. That's my question. Okay.
Okay. So I have discussed about visualizations. This
Okay.
example is okay for you?
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, fine.
Okay. Now we have also some number put here. So I want to apply here the this some number are wrong. So we have applied the wrong symbol here, just like cross. How can I apply? So simple. We have right click, format cell, and go to the border. Select the red color. Select the red border. Click this border and this border, and OK. Now we have used the F4. So repeat the last action. F4 shortcut is the repeat the last action. And do you want to use the tick sign, the right symbol? So we have just select the color green, because green is the symbol of the right.
Right. Yeah.
Select here, select and select. Then and we have put here also
Okay.
F4. Okay, sir.
Okay, fine, sir.
But this is the only for visual, not for calculation. You don't apply the filter, you don't apply the lookup, because this is the visual. Because formula can't read the formatting. Formula read
Okay.
the numbers and value.
Yeah, good.
So we
Fine.
have apply here the P symbol, P and O. O symbol for the cross, and P symbol,
Yeah.
P is the P character is the right. Okay.
Okay.
And now we have applied the Botanic bold. No, not a Botanic bold. We have binding to. Binding to font.
Okay.
And after
Okay.
that, you have see here your O is convert for the X,
That's good.
and P is the convert on the
Right. Right.
right hand side. Okay. And you can
Okay.
also do the formatting and calculation, because this is the visual cross and right symbol, but actual with P and O. So you have applied any filtration calculation on the O and P.
Okay. Okay.
Now we discuss the formatting. So this is the number format. Majorly format will be not important, but custom formatting is the important. Suppose that,
Sir, actually, small doubt, sir. Small doubt. What is the name of that font you mentioned?
what is the name of
That font.
font? Is the binding tool.
Winding. Okay. Winding to. Okay. Okay. Fine, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So next topic is the custom formatting, right?
Yep.
So we have I want to write the check number here. Check number. Right, sir?
Okay.
But in India, Indian bank check number have a 6 digit. But sometime the 4 digits, so we have applied the 20 and 4 digit check number. Right? But problem is that when you type the 004521, 0 is not considered.
Yep.
Right, sir? So how can type the 0 with number? So we have used the single code. Single code is the symbol of the text. When you use the single code, your number convert in the text. Okay?
But it won't calculate for a single.
Yeah, so you can also not check number is not calculatable.
No, just okay.
Okay. So problem is that if you have the type, you have put the 0, but you have received the some check number from other side, and this person not apply the 0 and maintain the 6 digit check number, and you have to take the lot of data and you want to print out. So that time we have select, go to the custom, and we have applied here 6 times 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 0, press the enter. So number will be maintain the 6 digit. But I again say this is the only for visual. Actual may 23 is the number, but visual is the 0023. Because any type of the format can't change your original value, just change the visual value. Okay. But problem is that I have received the another data from the another locations, and in this data type the 000023. Okay. So this is not for visual, it's the original 00023. Now I want to match this number. So you have visual look like same, but original not same. When you have we have matched, both are the not equal. Here is the problem. Here is the problem. So I want to same maintain the 6 digit with original value, not a visual. So if you want to the original value, need to apply formula. So we have applied the text formula. Select the number, and in the inverted comma we have typed the 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 digit, and press the enter. You can see here now we have press the equal, select this, press the equal, select this, press the enter, the result will be true. Okay. Right, sir?
Yeah, fine, sir.
Okay, I give the another some example for the custom formatting. Just like I want to type here mobile number, and in the mobile number have a 10 digit, but we have applied with country code, just like +91. But problem is that +91 is not recognized, and number is also not visual. So that time we have select the area, go to the custom format, and apply here. Just type here +91 and give the anyone 0 and or hash, anyone. Press the OK. Now we have right here, press the enter. You can see here. Okay. So I have also the account number. In the Excel you have typed the 12 digit, 10 digit, sorry, 11 digit. You are directly type here, your number will show. But when you type more than 11 digit, your number in the scientific format. So that time we have just applied the one hash or zero in the custom formatting. Your number will be visible. But remember, you have typed only for 15 digit in the normal format in one cell. If you type more than 15 digit, your number will be converted into zero, because the personal computer capacity is calculate only for 15 digit.
Okay.
So you can see here.
Okay.
Okay,
Yep.
any problem?
No, sir. Fine, sir.
So you have typed here. Now I have typed the 25,000 here. I want to convert in the thousands, so only for 25. And I want to also apply the K symbol. So we have give the hash comma, and in the inverted comma we have typed the K. Press the OK. See here 25,000. This is the 25,000, but only for show 25. Okay,
Okay.
and you have also calculate, because K is the not the original. This is the visual. I have plus the 1,000. You can see here 25, 26K.
26. Okay.
So this is the custom formatting. In the custom formatting, have a more and more code. I give you I share one article for the
Yep.
custom formatting. You have read
Okay.
it, and
Yep.
tomorrow we discuss about the custom formatting, the conditional
Okay.
formatting.
Okay.
So 2 and 3 classes for the formatting. Then we discuss the PowerPoint.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
I just share with the link with you on WhatsApp.
Okay.
So read this link, and
Yep.
tomorrow we discuss same time.
Okay, fine.